Hello, I'm Terry Lim. I'm with the Sierra Front Incident Management Team 1. We're a local team out of Nevada. We got here on Friday, October 1st, and we'll be staying for 2 weeks here. We were invited by the Umpqua National Forest to come here and help support the fire suppression repair on the Devil's Knob complex. We're happy to be here and support and serve the community and the forest, and we look forward to spending our time here with you. Thanks.
Mike Handley, Planning Ops, Sierra Front Team 1. We're local from Nevada, up here in the Northwest, lending assistance to the Umpqua. Starting off, we are on the Devil's Knob complex. We have multiple fires in the area, the Smith, the Big Hamlin, Mule Creek, and then off the map, there's 18 other small fires. The complex is located 20 miles east of Canyonville in the Tiller area. Starting off, I'll just do a quick overview of the operations that is going on, and we'll start off with Division Gulf. Up on the northeast side, we're just finishing up some higher priority repair areas and looking to move resources out of this area down into the western side of the division. On the western side of Division Gulf, in a few days, we will be starting a hazard tree deck removal that's here in the log deck raws area. We'll be transporting those trees up the 2792 road down into the cool water area, and we'll be looping around. So there'll be some higher traffic, volume of traffic on this northwest side of the complex. And then moving down into Division Charlie, a lot of work still being done in the Ash Canyon area, also known as the Alamo. So there'll be a high presence of resources and heavy equipment in that area. Also down off the 2810 road and the 2792 road, which is up here, but sorry, this is the 2810 road. So we'll be utilizing that for a lot of resources as well. Moving down into Division Hotel, we're wrapping up the Big Hamlin, just some small areas of concern, some dozer line, hand line, and over the next day and a half, we should be wrapping up everything down on the Big Hamlin and moving everything up into Division Charlie. Off the map, we do have 18 small fires. That repair work down there should be complete within the next day or two. With that information on going around the divisions and giving you guys an update, hopefully within the next week we'll be downsizing resources and trying to complete the high priority areas and making a good product for the forest.